So I just received an order from Vitacost. I like to shop on Vitacost for lots of different like cruelty-free personal care products, body care products, even some like household products. I think it's a really great place to shop for things like that because a lot of times you can get things at a good discount. So typically if I'm like running low on a bunch of essentials, like I'll go ahead and place an order on there. And that way I can save a little bit of money, I can just stock up on a bunch of things all at once, and I'm able to find a lot of things on there that I can't necessarily find like at the grocery store or something. So this time around I got a couple of like body care products, a skincare product, some like dental care stuff, a household product, so a bunch of just like essential items, I would say. And so I thought I would share it with you guys just to kind of show you guys some of the things that I like to buy on Vitacost. Vitacost actually also sells food as well. They have a lot of like really neat snacks and teas and all kinds of things like that, vitamins, protein powders, stuff like that. I don't normally purchase those things through there, but it's something that I would like to explore some more. So if you have any like Vitacost food recommendations for me, and like things in that realm, definitely let me know. Typically I just buy like more like toiletries and stuff on there, but so that's what I'll be sharing today. So I'll just go in order of like what's on my receipt. So one thing that I got is another one of these Alba Botanica Even Advanced Sea Mineral Cleansing Gels. This is my favorite face cleanser. It's been a favorite for a while. I was without it for a long time, and then once I used up what I had, I went back to this because I just think it's a really good cleanser. So this was $6.23 on Vitacost, which is quite a bit less than what I was able to find like at my grocery store. I think it's like $9 or $10 at the grocery store, so a little bit cheaper on there. It's just a really nice, basic, gentle cleanser. It says that it's meant to foam away impurities for an even complexion. It says it's hypoallergenic. I just really like it. It's really basic. This is actually the second one of these that I have right now. I got a second one so that I could have one in my shower and one on my like bathroom sink. That way I don't have to like move it back and forth every time I want to wash my face. So it's a really nice thing to have, really affordable. Yeah, really can't recommend this highly enough. I feel like it would work for a lot of different skin types too. So another thing that I like to get on Vitacost is this Clear Conscience multi-purpose solution. It's a contact solution. I've talked about it many times before. This is the best I've been able to find in terms of like a cruelty-free contact solution. I do wear contacts most days. Contact lenses themselves, unfortunately, are not cruelty-free because they're a medical device, or they're like required to be tested on animals, unfortunately. So it's one of those things where it's just kind of like, well, I can't be perfect. I do take medication sometimes, so, you know, but it is what it is. But this solution is really good, and at least this part of my routine can be cruelty-free. So this brand is not on Logical Harmony. I think it's pending on Logical Harmony, but it is Leaping Bunny certified, so I feel pretty good about it. I do wish that it was Logical Harmony certified, but like I said, it's the best I can do. So that's that. I did want to share that in case there's any other contact lens wearers out there. It's a little pricey. Let's see, I paid $10.59. And it's 12 fluid ounces. It lasts a while. So another thing that I picked up this time was the Desert Essence Natural Tea Tree Oil Whitening Plus Mouthwash. This is a really good mouthwash. I went for this one because it has whitening, and I do want to kind of at least like maintain the whiteness of my teeth. They're not like super white, but I do drink like coffee and tea a lot, so I try to go for whitening products whenever I can. I have had this in the past. I can't say for sure that it really whitens necessarily, but who knows, maybe it does. So that's the one I went for. These are 16 fluid ounces, and they were $5.41 each. Not cheap, but it's a really good mouthwash. They also have some others that are cheaper on there that aren't whitening, but I really wanted to go for the whitening one. So one thing I got, oh my gosh, Tala. A certain someone in this household actually chewed up some of the box, so I'm not going to name any names, but she is right here. You can see her tail. What have you been up to? Okay, so the next thing I got is actually a cleaning product. I had run out of my 7th generation like disinfecting wipes, and so I was going to repurchase those, but then I saw that they had these J.R. Watkins ones. They also had 7th generation, but I wanted to try these because I actually have never tried, I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand before, but it is a cruelty-free brand. They had a couple different scents. These are the all-purpose wipes in the lemon scent. They also had like a green tea and aloe scent. That sounded really nice too, but I went for the lemon just because it's like a classic clean smell. And I actually already have used these. They smell a million times better than the 7th generation wipes. I love the 7th generation wipes, especially because they're so easy to find in stores. They're pretty inexpensive, but they have such a strong smell, and it's not a smell that I necessarily like, but these smell really good. They just smell like any other cleaning wipe would smell. It smells like lemon, but it's just a pure, like, clean smell. It doesn't smell offensive to me at all. So it says it's ammonia-free, bleach-free, dye-free, phosphate-free, non-toxic. Comes with 35 wipes, and this was, let's see, how much was this? This was $4.59. So a couple more dental products that I picked up. One is the Jason Powersmile Anti-Cavity and Whitening Toothpaste. This is probably one of my favorite cruelty-free toothpaste that I've tried. It's really powerful, so it makes your mouth feel super clean. I know a lot of cruelty-free toothpastes kind of, I don't know, they don't really make my mouth feel as clean as I want it to, but this is really good. This particular one is the one with fluoride. They also make a fluoride-free one, just depending on your preference. This was, how much? $4.37. This is actually another thing I really like about this one is it's in a really big tube. It lasts a while. It's 6 ounces, which I think is bigger than most like standard toothpaste. So big fan of that. Excited to have that because I am almost out of my other toothpaste. Then I also got a toothbrush that I have actually never tried before, but this is actually a bamboo toothbrush, so it's a little bit more sustainable than like a plastic toothbrush, actually a lot more sustainable. I normally get the preserve toothbrushes, and those are made from recycled plastic, so it's like pretty good compared to like most toothbrushes, but I wanted to try a bamboo one because I think it's better to go for non-plastic whenever possible, and I've heard a lot of people really like bamboo toothbrushes. So I got this one from the brand Senza Bamboo, and I got the adult soft kind. So I haven't tried it yet, but when my other toothbrush dies, this is the one I'll use. It says the packaging is 100% compostable, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a nice little sustainable toothbrush option. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, biodegradable, antibacterial. Okay, so bamboo is resilient and carries natural antibacterial properties. That's good to know. And it's one of the most sustainable and fast-growing plants on Earth. Bamboo is. So that's awesome. I feel really good about this. This looks cool. So, and it says no animal testing. I wasn't really worried about that, but yeah, so I'm excited to give that a try. I will definitely report back and let you guys know how that goes. And then, what else did I get? Okay, only a couple more things here. The last 2 things are like shower products and body care products. This one, oh, I think it got leaked on. This is the Kiss My Face Moisture Shave. The scent is Peaceful Patchouli. I hope I like the scent. But I, again, was running out of my other shaving cream, so I went for this one. This one seemed to be the most like economical that they had. It's 11 fluid ounces, and this was $5.29. So this will last a while too, because I've had these Kiss My Face ones before, and they last a long time, especially because I'm lazy and I don't shave my legs that often. I shave probably like once, maybe twice a week. I'm really bad about it. So this will last forever. Let's see how the smell is. Okay, so it's just kind of like a nice herbal scent. Yeah, I guess that's just what patchouli smells like. I wanted to try something different, so that's why I went for that. I don't know if I love the smell, actually. I guess it kind of smells like lavender. I don't know, it just smells herbal. So, whatever that means. But anyway, that'll be good to have. It'll last forever. It's cruelty-free, vegan, blah, blah, blah. And then another thing from Kiss My Face, a huge thing of body wash. I, once again, was almost out of body wash, so like I said, I just had to stock up on a bunch of these things, so that's why I made this whole purchase. But I got their Bath & Body Wash, and this is also in the Peaceful Patchouli scent. I figured I might as well match my shaving cream with my body wash, because why not? I figured, I don't know, I like the sound of like an aromatherapy, peaceful. Yeah, this smells good. I mean, it smells kind of like the shaving cream. A little bit milder, though. So this bottle is enormous. What is this? 32 fluid ounces. And it was, how much was this? $5.29. That's a really good deal. Really good. So this will probably last a really long time. I will say this did leak a little bit in the box, so I may have like lost a little bit of it, but it's not a big deal. I went for the most economical one that I could find. I like went through and calculated the cost per ounce of each one on their website because I'm always a little bit of a penny pincher, but I really like how economical this is. So Yay, exciting. That is everything I got from Vitacost this time around. I really enjoy shopping on Vitacost, especially when I'm like realizing, oh, I'm running out of this and this and this, so I might as well like go ahead and stock up on a bunch of things. Sometimes like if I just need toothpaste or something, then I won't go to the trouble of ordering just one thing on Vitacost because you do have to pay shipping if it's like under a certain amount. So if it's just like one little thing like that, I'll just buy it at the store. But if I have like a bunch of things like this that I need to stock up on, I usually just go to Vitacost because it's easy. They have a lot of cruelty-free options. They also have a lot of options in general, even if you're not cruelty-free. So just thought I would share that today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any favorite products that you like to purchase on Vitacost, let me know because I'm always on there browsing. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time.